Good evening. This is Chris Ingram with That Insurance Guy, 208-884-4224. Currently on the beautiful Greenbelt here in Boise in the what I call the Boise jungle. It's a lovely place to be and to walk on here on the Greenbelt. So we're talking about auto insurance. And with auto insurance, we're going to talk about collision. Collision is one of the more expensive things that you see on your policy. In fact, a lot of times when we quote the premium on that, a lot of our clients, gag. They're like, no, that is such a chunk of change. Well, it is, because what that does is that's the coverage that basically fixes your car when you're in an accident and when it's your fault. So there's a premium typically associated with that of around $500 or so. It can be more, but your lenders, if you have a loan on your vehicle, they like to see your deductible to be around $500 on that. And so because of that, it does a variety of things for you. Sometimes you can have a collision claim when it's your fault. Sometimes you can have a collision claim when it's not your fault. If you want to talk about the differences, give us a call. Our phone number again is 208-884-4224, or text us also, and we'll be happy to help you out. You all have a great night.
So when you need a quote, call That Insurance Guy, 208-884-4224, beep beep.